Hello viewers, today I'll show you this really simple recipe. It's peppercorn mushroom sauce. If you want to know how I also make this steak recipe, then the link will be at the end of the video. So now let's get on with the recipe. 300 grams of mushrooms. Chop them into very small fine pieces. Chop some green chilies, depends how spicy you like. Now add the chopped mushroom in a hot pan and wait till the mushroom releases its water. Keep on mixing until the water is dried up. In here, now add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half chopped onion, finely chopped green chilies. Now mix everything for a minute. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Now combine everything together and fry for about 5 minutes. This recipe is so simple to make and it tastes so good that I can't even explain. Please give it a try, it will only take a few minutes. It's been 5 minutes, now add 100 grams of butter and keep stirring until the butter is melted. Fry everything together for another 5 minutes and you will notice that the onion will become more brown and everything else will look more darker. I hope you're enjoying watching this recipe. If you are, then please subscribe to my channel. Now add 300 grams of double cream in here. Keep mixing and combine everything together. In about 3 minutes, your peppercorn mushroom sauce will be ready. I have mentioned in the beginning about my steak recipe, so if you want to check that out, then please click on the top right hand corner. It is another simple recipe and the combination goes really well together, peppercorn mushroom sauce and steak. Yum! If you want to get to know me more, then follow me on social media. That's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and TikTok. Please try my recipes at home and I would really appreciate if you could let me know in the comment box below. Everyone in my house literally loved this sauce and my dad, he actually have it on his own. Every Sunday I upload a new recipe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out anything. If you liked watching this recipe, then please give it a thumbs up. It will make me feel motivated to make more recipes for you. Thank you for staying with me till the end and I will see you in my next video.